Hello buddies, it's Miss March. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a bit of a weird unboxing, and the reason I say it's a bit of a weird unboxing is because I just got this package. I usually do my makeup before recording. This is the makeup that I did this morning, and the reason I'm recording it now is because I wanted to sort of record my true feelings and my true reactions when I open this package. So let me tell you a bit about what we're gonna open today. It was the Friday before Valentine's Day, and it was late, and I was on my phone as one is wanted to do. And I was reading an article about Latinx owned brands or owned beauty brands, and I saw a list, and one of those included Midas Cosmetics, so I went and checked them out. I had heard of them before, and I didn't know they were Latinx owned. They're actually it's an Afro Latinx company, and yeah, so I went to check them out, and I saw that they had this surprise Valentine's Day boxes that for $50, and they were supposed to have inside a value of $140, but they were surprised, so you couldn't know what they had inside. But it said that, I just have my iPad here, it said that you would get eyeshadow palette or palettes, makeup tools, lashes, glitter, glosses, and a Valentine's Day card. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So I ordered it, so it was 50 US. I paid a lot in shipping and taxes. But anyway, I thought, I'm already there. You know, I was just feeling that way that day. So I decided to kind of go ahead and purchase it. And then it took a little bit to get here. So today is February 25th. So it took about 2 weeks to get here, more or less. Yeah, actually it took 2 weeks to get here, which is not terrible, but I think in this age where we tend to get things, like I get Sephora the next day. I actually ordered Sephora on Monday and I got it on Tuesday. So I think we're kind of like a little bit not used to this. And as I mentioned in another video, shipping from the US to Canada is a little complicated. But yeah, but we have it here, and I thought we could look at the box and its contents, and we will capture my true reactions. So I have my handy box cutter. I have to admit, I was imagining a bigger box, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna open it up. Okay, wish me luck. It's been really nerve-wracking because I ordered this and I ordered something else that still hasn't arrived around the same time, and it's also something that I don't know what's gonna come inside, and I've been looking at different things that I didn't want to buy anything else because I didn't know what I was gonna get in here. So even though I've been tempted by some eyeshadow palettes, I have not gotten them because I wasn't sure what I was gonna get. So what do we get here? So the first thing we have is a Valentine's Day card, which I guess we will save for next year. I don't really do much for Valentine's Day, although it is my mom's birthday. So, and then we have some not stickers. These are like, I don't know what this foam thing is. There we go. So this one that says love. And look at these. Okay, that's better. These cute little hearts. And then I am so scared. Let's open this up. Okay. So, am I about to be disappointed? Maybe. So the first thing I see is a beauty blender-ish. It's cute. It is, with the light you can't see it. Let me see if I open it. But it's this, no, you can't really see it, but it's like a marble pink and white. I have to figure out the lighting situation with that. So because it's good for my face, but it's not good for the products. But you know, beauty blender, we can always use it. It's not a real beauty blender, but you know what I mean. We can always use that. Next up, we have a brush. It's a nice brush, actually. So it would be like a powder brush. Next up is a blush brush. Again, could use it, useful. Actually, they seem like nice quality, I have to say. And another brush. And this one is, I guess, a foundation brush I could use this for, or even some powder. I personally hate washing brushes, and more than that, I hate washing beauty blenders. So it's good to kind of have gotten like a little bit of this. Let's see what else we got. We have 2 sets of eyelashes. The first one is, let's see if we can see them. Ooh, that's not good. So we have this set of eyelashes. They're very long. Are they the same thing? No. So this one is like very bushy, and this one is a little less, but they're both very long. I think I'm gonna have to cut them for sure to fit me, but we have 2 sets of eyelashes. Then we have, we have 2 tiny, I think they're palettes. Okay. So this is the Artistry, I'm gonna assume it's Artistry palette, and it just got deleted. But volume 1, let's take a look. Ooh, so I'm excited. Oh, that's the plastic fell. I'm excited about this. And the reason I'm excited is because I've been wanting a crazier, not crazier, but a palette that has these types of tones for me to experiment a little bit more. And I'm excited that I actually have one like that. I'm gonna bend and disappear for a second because I can't stand that the plastic is there. I'm still here. There we go. So yeah, so this is the first one. Let's go a little bit closer. So it has 5 mattes, all of them like really bright colors, and then one kind of shimmery, pinkish, goldish, silverish. So that is the first palette. There's another palette, but before I do that, I think this is probably what I'm going to use the least because it's glitter and things like that. So there's 2 like regular glitter. So this pink, and then one in the shade Forever, and this is another pink in the shade Rose. You can see it there. Can't see it very well. I know that. And then this ones are just heart. So I think I'm gonna probably give them to my niece or play with my niece. So it has these white hearts, and let's see if we make it like get closer. No. Anyway, we just have this different, like this is gonna be a very poorly filmed video. I apologize for that. So we have this heart, and we have red hearts, white hearts, and silver hearts. So they may be part of a craft project, who knows? But so we have 5 pots of glitter, 2 sets of eyelashes, 3 brushes, 1 beauty blender, 1 palette we've seen so far. Next up we have lip glosses, and that sent 4 lip glosses. Okay, let's see. So the first one is, they're called Icing, and the first one is in the shade Meringue. And it's like a clear whitish shade. I don't know if you can see. Okay. I don't want to swatch them just in case, because there's a lot, so I may give them to people. So I don't want to swatch them for that. But you can see it's like a whitish shade. Oh, although it has like a little bit of like, it has definitely a shimmer. So I feel like we'll see how that looks. I like the name Icing. I like things that have food names. Our next one is called Strawberry. It's another lip gloss, I think. Yeah. And this, ooh, that's a nice shade. It's like this peachy. I really like peachy tones for, I know it's funny because it's called Strawberry. I really like peachy tones for my lips. I really do. So I'm excited about this one. And they're like all full sizes. Yeah, so this one will be mine. And I have to say that I've been going more for like glossy stuff. And I think part of it is just because mattes are uncomfortable sometimes. So I don't know, I've been going more for like glossy things, but you could also wear this on top of a matte. Okay, we have 2 glosses left and 1 palette. Let's just finish with the glosses. Then we have another one in the shade Almond. Ooh, these are so pretty. So this is more like a brownish color, coppery. I wish I had like, I just redid my lips. I wish I hadn't, so I could kind of test one of this. But it looks really pretty too. And then the last one is in the shade Classic. So let's take a look at that. I just want to say that like in this short time, I am already covered in glitter. It's okay. Okay, oh, and this is just like a clear gloss, which actually comes really handy. I don't know when this video is going to go out. Like I haven't like looked at the scheduling, but I have a video right now on my queue that has a product that could benefit from this. So this is just like a clear gloss. And now we move on to our last palette. If I can close this, which is, this is the Artistry palette volume 1.2. Let's see what happens. Which also has really bright colors. I hope they're not, is it the same? I think probably they're the same. So this is a volume 1, this is a volume 2. We're gonna compare them. No, they're not the same. They're very similar, but not the same. Okay, yeah, no. They're like similar styles, I guess. So this is the 1.2. Sorry, I'm gonna get there in a second. This is the 1.2, and this is the 1. So they're very similar, but not the same. But they're like similar styles. As I said, I'm excited because these are colors I've been wanting to get into, but I don't know if I would necessarily go ahead and, I guess I bought this, so, but I don't know if I would necessarily just go and choose a palette that has something like this. But you know, I've been curious. I'm wanting to try different types of lipsticks and, not lipsticks, eyeshadow colors and mattes, and maybe do some like delicate like lining and things like that. So all in all, let's see if we can do a very quick like value of everything that I got. So I'm just gonna go to the Midas, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the math and it all comes to $134. I think it said that it value up to $140 or something like that. So I guess if you add the like Valentine's Day card and things like that, you could say it's $140. So the prices, or the cost is, the palettes retail for $16 each. Then the lashes are $9 each. The same thing goes for the brushes. The brushes are $9 each. I actually find that a really good price. Like, not so much if you have to bring them into Canada, but like if you have to buy them, it's actually a nice price. $9 for the brushes. The lip glosses, these ones are $10 each. So I got 4. So that's $40. And then the glitters are, these ones, like the simple glitters, are $150. $1.50, and then the more complex ones are $2.75. And then the last thing that I got was the sort of beauty blender, the sponge, and this one retails for $5.50. So all in all, I have to say, a little bit nerve-wracking. Would I do it again? Probably not. But I did get, like, if I only look at, so the things that I would want, which are the makeup, so not the makeup, but the palette, the lip glosses, the brushes, and the sponge. Sorry, I said sponge, weird. And the sponge, that would be, I'm just doing math in my head, sorry. 32 plus 40, that's 72, plus 18, that is 90, plus 9, that's 99, plus 550, that is 150. $4.50. So actually that's a pretty good value that I got for, like, you know, I got it for sort of half the price. So all in all, it was fun. It was scary. I definitely think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of the lipsticks. I think with the palettes, I'll have to learn how to use them, but I'm kind of excited that I got them. And I don't, you know, I don't know if I would have bought them for myself. So you're gonna see some weird eye looks coming up. Not weird, just more out there. But I think like I'm gonna really enjoy the lip glosses that I think I like. I'm gonna give the lashes my best try. Lashes and I have a complicated history. But you know, we're gonna keep on trying. And yeah, so this has been my little experiment buying a mystery box, which is not something I usually do because I'm terrified of that. I decided, I'm happy that I did it. I was very scared when I opened it. It didn't look like it was much, but as we, you know, once I figured out that this were lip glosses and that there were 4 and that there were actually 2 eyeshadow palettes, that really kind of like brought my interest up. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, first of all, what would you use? Like, what do you like the best about the box? And then the second thing I want to know is, would you ever do something like this where you buy something that you don't know what you're getting? And yeah, so thanks so much for watching this video. I hope to see you very soon in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. I'm trying to grow the channel, so we're always happy to have more members, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.